Hey everybody, it's David with Oberlo, and it's question time. We've talked a lot about the power of Facebook advertising, and we've had several people write in wanting to know if there are any products that you are not allowed to advertise on Facebook. This is a great question. Facebook ads can play a huge role in your success as a store owner, but every Facebook ad gets reviewed and approved before it goes live. So it's important to know what we can and can't promote on Facebook. Now, some of these are fairly obvious, but others not so much. Let's start with one of the obvious ones. Number 1, adult products. This includes anything with nudity or depictions of people in graphic situations. You can promote adult products if they're focused on family planning or contraception, but these ads must focus on the core feature of the product rather than on sexual pleasure or sexual enhancement. Also, these ads must only target Facebook users who are 18 or older. Number 2, drugs and drug-related products. It's against Facebook's community guidelines to promote any illegal, prescription, or recreational drugs in your ads. Also, you can't use images of smoking-related accessories, recreational or medical marijuana, or any image that could imply the use of recreational drugs in your ads. So don't use a bong as a prop to liven up your ads. Number 3, unregulated supplements. The supplements industry generates billions upon billions of dollars every year, but understandably, these products come with many rules and regulations. What's more, if you plan to dropship internationally, each country has its own laws regarding health products and supplements. So for lots of reasons, Facebook doesn't want supplements being advertised on its platform. And you know, unless you've manufactured them yourself and you have all the necessary certifications, it's probably best to avoid selling these products altogether. Number 4, third-party infringements. Simply put, your ads can't infringe on the rights of any third party. That means unless you have a trade agreement with the maker of those products, avoid selling anything that is copyrighted or trademarked. Number 5, counterfeit products. Counterfeit products are a no-go. These are illegal, by the way, and not just on Facebook. You could get into a lot of trouble selling them, so avoid it like the plague. There are plenty of unique and illegal drop shipping products available that you can use to build a legitimate business. So if you find something with a Hilfiger logo on it, even if it's offered at an unbelievable price, just stay away. Number 6, controversial products. Any advertisement related to sensitive or controversial subjects will be automatically rejected from Facebook's ad platform. This can include products related to sensitive subjects, imagery, or controversial symbolism. Number 7, weapons, ammunition, or explosives. You can't advertise guns or bombs. Shocking, right? This weapons ban applies to any kind of weapon, including pepper spray, knives, tasers, airsoft weapons like BB guns, and paintball guns. Facebook aside, it's worth bearing in mind that these products are affected by various laws and regulations in different countries and in different US states. So it's best to avoid these products entirely. Number 8, tobacco products. This includes cigarettes, cigars, e-cigarettes, and any other tobacco-related paraphernalia. You can use Facebook ads to promote products that help people overcome a smoking addiction, but not products that add to that addiction. Number 9, before and after photos. You can't use before and after content when promoting health products. This includes images that contain unexpected or unlikely results. Facebook points out that advertisements must not contain, quote, before and after images or images that contain unexpected or unlikely results, end quote. And once again, any ads promoting health, fitness, or weight loss must be targeted towards people aged 18 or over. Last up on our list of forbidden products. Number 10, surveillance equipment. This includes spy cams, mobile phone trackers, or any other type of hidden surveillance equipment. We know that many entrepreneurs are interested in selling these types of products, and that's totally fine. They're super popular. Just be aware that you won't be able to promote them with Facebook. That wraps up our list of 10 things that you're not allowed to advertise on Facebook. Once again, feel free to leverage the mighty power of Facebook advertising. Just not with these products. If you had your heart set on selling weapons and now you aren't so sure what to sell, check out our Products to Sell playlist, where we dive into all sorts of high-performing products and niches. And if you have a question about anything we've talked about today, leave it in the comments below. I check the comments every day and I will get back to you if you have something that you want to know. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Until next time, happy dropshipping.